would like to highlight the various opportunities that our students get to enhance their learning experience beyond classroom. Our students participate in various co-curricular activities such as visit to the industries to enhance their practical knowledge, participation in various national and international conferences, participation in competitions held across the globe, membership in the various professional bodies like Society of Automobile Engineers, Indian Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, etc. Our students are also part of various technical clubs of mechanical such as Robotics, Marathon, etc. Our students have mastered the art of developing and designing the various automotive products such as solar powered vehicles, electric vehicles and Formula 1 vehicles. They have participated in various competitions organized by various societies like Society of Automobile Engineers (SAE), Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers (ISHRAE) and American Society of Mechanical Engineering (ASME) and others. And they have brought the laurels by winning in these competitions.